Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is called Embodiment. So for those of you who are feeling lost or confused or in a tangle or not sure which way to go, or maybe you've disassociated, checked out, maybe you're struggling, depressed, underwater, then this is for you. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine. This is not a replacement for Western medicine. All you need to do to receive this healing is to nod or affirm yes. Go ahead and take a deep breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. You can have eyes open, eyes closed, it doesn't matter. Just for a moment, bring your awareness to the physical body, how you're feeling. If there's any discomfort or pain, agitation, areas of tension, just bring your attention to those places. The places that you might soldier on through the day and shove aside and try to ignore. The places that you might numb through medication, drugs, alcohol, sex, work, excessive going to the gym, whatever it is that allows you to be distracted from the physical body. Just take another deep breath and allow your focus to soften and rest on these places in your body that are calling for your attention. Maybe there's more than one. And whatever you're feeling in this area of heaviness or density or compaction, it's going to bring some beautiful energy in from the divine. Archangel Michael here. Any healing spirits that resonate for you, feel free to call them in your mind. Feel their presence, whether it's an ancestor or loved one, passed over, an angel, a spirit, guide, someone that you resonate with, calling on angels, spirits and guides of the highest good, calling on angels, spirits and guides to bring through a beautiful healing energy for our beloveds here today, so that the pain, the discomfort, the agitation in their physical bodies is dissolved, resolved, absolved. On the level of consciousness, rippling into the energetic, rippling into the physical. My work is based on the premise that energy precedes physical matter and consciousness precedes energy. Another name for that is working in the quantum field, working in the realm of the subconscious, the unconscious, putting a spotlight into the shadows for you to see and feel what needs to be let go, what no longer serves you, what is weighing you down. Throw it into the fire. Take a deep breath. And as this density and this heaviness leaves your tissues and cells, it's drawn out off gases, dissipates. Feel this expansiveness of the life force, vitality, vigor, support, that it's safe to be embodied in this physical body. No matter what you're going through in your life, it is safe to be in this physical body. Just breathe into that feeling of being safe. Just allow whatever surfaces to surface. This is a safe place. May this be nourishment for your soul. As the spirit settles, embodies, comes home, so that you become more and more of yourself, and you let go the layers of you that were crusty and cemented and no longer serve you. So that on the healing journey in the path of life that you can remember what's important to you, what motivates you, what centers you. And just for this moment, letting all of your responsibilities, all of those in your care, all of the people that weigh heavy on your mind, whether it's family, friends, community, the global discord, just allowing it to be released and let go, relinquished. Now feel a beautiful hum. You might want to hum with me. And place a hand on your heart. Feel this resonance through your whole body. I really encourage you to hum along with me. Another deep breath in. I am embodied. Heart, mind, body, soul. I am present. I am safe. I am here and now. Yes. Thank you, my beloveds. Anchoring that in with a tone.